Okay, the frozen river, follow the bend until the ridge, then southeast to the old trapper's cabin.
It's incredible. The ice catches the light like a prism. Pure magic.
Mamy zostaje to tym nową spraszczę meta back.
Almost there. Need to get this ridge pole locked in. This wind's picking up fast. I've got the bows for the insulation. We need to make sure this is windproof. All right, focus. Looks good, Ryan. Almost done. This should keep me off the ground. The sun's almost gone. Time to get this fire started.
Dobra.
Almost there. Breakthrough. Yes. Yes. Got him. Look at the size of this guy. Supper is served. Almost there. Just a little more. Perfect. Delicious.
I didn't think I would be alone up here. You never were.
Oh my God. Look at that.
Almost there. So cold. Finally. Oh, the warmth.
Time to move. One step at a time.
Yes! I did it! I made it!
Time for coffee. The ice is thin today.
Time to pack up. Leave it as you found it. All right, make sure nothing's left. Goodbye, old friend. Oh yeah. I got this.
Yes, we did it. What an incredible journey.
The journey is over. I've been changed by this place.
Come in, Ryan. It's warm.